to part 2. Here you can see there's another bull here. So if you don't know what is happening right now, it's our Sankranti celebrations at our village, which is in Andhra Pradesh. I'm here right now to show you what is going on here. It's only the bullfight mainly because this is the most exciting part in this village, in this festival. I mean. You can see there's another black bull there. It's coming. This is our white bull. This is ours. My father got it from far away. That black bull is here right now. You can see they are attacking right now. They are attacking right now. They are making it get scared, get afraid. Let's see what is gonna happen. But it's not moving at all. Finally, it's moving. It's getting aggressive because of that red color. It's getting angry due to that thing, due to what all these people are doing. So it's coming and attacking, but these people are not letting. You can see it's coming and attack. Launch, చూసుకో. What 85 kilometer దూరం. It almost came and attacked us. Such a